Welcome to the Renewable Energy Gamble. Are we sacrificing too much for too little? In this video, we delve into the multifaceted challenges surrounding the rapid shift to renewable energy sources. From the high costs and land use implications to the complexities of resource extraction and intermittency, we'll explore whether the benefits truly outweigh the sacrifices involved. Join us as we examine the economic viability, job transitions, and the pressing need to meet emission targets in our pursuit of a sustainable future. 1. High cost. Investing in renewable energy isn't cheap. In fact, globally, we are pouring nearly $500 billion into it every year. That's a staggering amount of money, especially when you consider how it could be used elsewhere. Building solar farms, wind turbines, and other renewable infrastructures requires a lot of upfront cash. These high costs are often justified by the promise of a cleaner, more sustainable future. Yet, for many, the question remains: are we getting enough bang for our buck? Some argue that this enormous investment is a necessary step towards combating climate change. Others worry that the financial burden is too great, especially for developing countries struggling with more immediate needs. 2. Land use. When we think of renewable energy, we often picture vast fields of solar panels or towering wind turbines. But these installations need space, lots of it. Large solar and wind farms can take up significant land, which sometimes means repurposing agricultural areas or wild habitats. This land use change can have a ripple effect on local ecosystems and food production. Farmers might find themselves in competition for land, and wildlife could lose their natural habitats. It's a tricky balancing act, harnessing clean energy while preserving the land we rely on for food and biodiversity. The challenge is finding a way to integrate these technologies without compromising our environment and livelihoods. 3. Resource extraction. Renewable energy technologies, while clean in operation, aren't always clean in their creation. Many of them depend on rare minerals like lithium, cobalt, and rare earth elements. Extracting these resources is often an environmentally taxing process. It can lead to deforestation, water pollution, and even human rights abuses in regions where these minerals are found. The irony is that in our quest for sustainable energy, we might be causing harm elsewhere. There's a growing need for better recycling and more sustainable mining practices. Without addressing these concerns, we might just be swapping one environmental issue for another. 4. Intermittency. The sun doesn't always shine, and the wind doesn't always blow. This intermittency is a significant challenge for solar and wind energy. Unlike fossil fuels, which provide a steady stream of power, renewables can be unpredictable. This inconsistency can make it difficult to maintain a reliable energy grid. Energy storage solutions, like batteries, are being developed to address these gaps, but they come with their own set of challenges and costs. For now, many regions still rely on traditional energy sources as a backup, complicating the transition to a fully renewable grid. The goal is to find innovative ways to store and distribute energy more efficiently. 5. Economic viability. The economics of renewable energy are as complex as the technologies themselves. The profitability of projects can be heavily influenced by market conditions and government subsidies. In some cases, renewables are becoming cheaper than traditional energy sources, thanks to technological advancements and economies of scale. However, without subsidies, many projects might struggle to stay afloat. This dependency on financial support raises questions about the long-term sustainability of the industry. As markets and policies evolve, so too will the economic landscape of renewable energy. It's a delicate dance between innovation, policy, and market forces. 6. Job transition. The shift to renewable energy is creating new job opportunities, but it's also displacing workers in traditional energy sectors. Coal miners, oil rig workers, and other fossil fuel employees may find themselves out of work as industries move toward cleaner alternatives. This transition isn't easy, and it requires retraining programs and support systems to help workers adapt. On the flip side, renewable energy is generating jobs in manufacturing, installation, and maintenance. The challenge is ensuring that the benefits of job creation are spread evenly, and that those who lose their jobs aren't left behind. It's a testament to the broader economic shifts driven by the pursuit of sustainability. 7. Emission targets. Countries around the world are setting ambitious renewable energy goals to reduce carbon emissions. These targets are often part of larger commitments to combat climate change. Achieving them might require significant lifestyle changes and economic adjustments. From reducing energy consumption to investing in new technologies, these goals demand action from governments, businesses, and individuals alike. But reaching these targets isn't just about technology, it's about shifting mindsets and behaviors. As nations strive to meet their commitments, the global community must work together to share knowledge, resources, and strategies. The renewable energy gamble is a complex and nuanced issue. Balancing costs, land use, resource extraction, and other factors is no easy feat. Yet, as we navigate these challenges, the potential benefits of a cleaner, more sustainable future remain a powerful motivator.